Yeah. Epicaricacy, Ailurophile, Arctophile, Martinet, Duché.
All right. What word which means lover of teddy bears? Lover of teddy bears.
Arctophile,
Okay, very good. It's number three.
Arctophile.
Okay. All right. Miss Ginger, can you read the five words?
Epicaricacy, Elorophile, Arctophile, Martinet, Duché.
Okay, which word which means very a person who is very strict and is a disciplinarian who wants to have obedience from someone.
Martinet.
Very good. All right. So thank you so much, Miss Ginger. Anyone can read? All the people here are so muted. Okay. Thank you so much, Miss Ginger. Next